Hey there, and welcome back to our cozy corner of culinary delights. Today, we're diving into some Sunday special recipes that are perfect for gathering with family and friends. Sundays are all about relaxation and connection, and what better way to celebrate than with delicious food that warms the heart? Let's start with the classic, a comforting homemade chicken pot pie. Picture this: tender chicken, vibrant vegetables, and a creamy sauce all enveloped in a flaky, golden crust. It's a dish that not only fills your belly, but also brings everyone together around the table. You can even get the kids involved in rolling out the dough or mixing the filling, making it a fun family activity. Next up, how about a vibrant, fresh salad that's bursting with flavor? A Mediterranean quinoa salad is a fantastic choice. With its colorful mix of cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta cheese, it's not just a feast for the taste buds but also for the eyes. Drizzle it with a zesty lemon vinaigrette, and you've got a refreshing side that pairs beautifully with any main dish. And for dessert, let's indulge in a classic apple crisp. The sweet, cinnamon-spiced apples topped with a crunchy oat topping will make your kitchen smell heavenly. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and you'll have a sweet ending that everyone will remember. As you prepare these dishes, take a moment to savor the process. Cooking is not just about the food, it's about the love and care you put into it. So gather your loved ones, share stories, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these Sunday special recipes inspire you to create something wonderful in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more delicious ideas. Happy cooking, and see you next time!